At the end of the video, I would like to ask you a question. Is art a part of you or your life? Do comment down below. Art, the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. I think we are destined to meet. How I can focus on a moment and just the twists and turns and tips. I want you to have me. I'm ready to surrender myself to you. I want to hug you, kiss you. But since it's not possible, I'll lay you on the canvas and spread the colors. I'll let you know how I feel. I'll express my emotion so that you would become an echo to my voice. I'll sit beside you and draw a sunset. I'll focus on that one line, art, paintings, sketches. You're the kind of lover I'm in love with. I try to find the slightest detail around me after I met you and when I'm with you. You're a mirror to my soul. You always don't show my perfection. You're an inspiration that helps me find my irregularity and my usualness. Sometimes you need to realize one wrong stroke, one wrong step can lead to a masterpiece. Perhaps the time when it goes wrong, it is teaching you something. No one could make a choice without feeling afraid. Art.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got
just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain just like the sunrise. We gonna let it rain. make a start, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight, we're gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna light it up.
So cliche. I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight, we're gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna light it up. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop,